As we all know, today ISHM is celebrating Women's Day in our college. Hashtag embrace equality, we say that clearly.
And I'm very grateful that our college is giving us that respect and appreciation that women can be in any of the field and can achieve any of the things.
Happy Women's Day! So please say with me, Happy Women's Day! This Women's Day by the International Women's Year has been dedicated, my dear girls, to innovation, technology and gender equality. World Cup.
Yeah.
So look at that. These are the girls who took part in the World Cup of football.
A dedication to all the women who are working inside and outside in a very bright way, and they are doing very good in the not only in the hospitality sector but in every industry. We can see the woman is coming front and they are ruling the world. I would like to wish everyone come forward, lead a successful life and have a bright career ahead. And you can see in every sector the woman is always ahead in every way. And thank you so much ISHM to giving me this opportunity to come in front and speak a few words. Thank you so much.
And then we have younger girls who in future will be taking part in the jobs of the hotel, hospitality industry, either being a chef or being a housekeeper or being a general manager, who knows, after a couple of years. So that's it. Thank you so much. We wish all the men who supported us, including the cameraman who's holding the lens with a smiling face. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.